how you doing, how you feeling, welcome or welcome back. I am Loki Hippie, okay? If you're new here, my name is G. Go ahead and subscribe, it's free and I appreciate it so freaking much. I post videos every Friday and random Wednesdays, so you're gonna see this face. Now this video is about deep conditioning. First of all, deep conditioning, whether you're natural, whether your hair is relaxed, whatever, deep conditioning is essential, okay? I wish I knew about deep conditioning while my hair was relaxed. It probably would not have broken off so much. I get a lot of questions in my DMs and whatnot asking me how I get my hair so defined, my hair looks so healthy, and thank you, but moisture is key, okay? I made another video with the LOC method or the LCO method. Also a very important major key when it comes to moisture, but before that, sweetie, we need to swap a deep conditioner. I am definitely a creature of habits. Once I find something that works for me, I'm not really looking around for other things anymore. So if you guys want me to try different products for you, or just because you love it and you want to recommend me some, let me know in the comments. I will definitely make videos on all your suggestions. But until then, I'm gonna let you know my little secret deep conditioning things, right? Now, if you watch a lot of my other hair videos, you've probably already seen or heard about these products, but we don't talk about these again. I'm actually going to start with the very first deep conditioner I've ever owned or purchased. I don't know if I can't remember if I tried DIY deep conditioners before this, but I definitely remember this being my first deep conditioning purchase. And I don't have it with me. It was the on Jackie's softening and conditioning and more. I'm gonna put it up, okay? It's blue. It smells good. And I first used that while I was transitioning, and I used it and I had a little bit of afro roots. I went to the mirror. That was the first time I saw my hair in coils, okay? It was only coils at the roots because the rest was still relaxed. That was the first time I saw any type of definition in my hair. So that did that, and it smelled bomb, but there's just no slip. Maybe there was slip and it was just harder to figure out my hair while it was transitioning, but I've heard a handful of people complain about how on Jackie's ain't got no slip, okay? She has bomb ingredients, it smells bomb and all of that, but she don't got no slip. And if you don't know what slip is when you are trying to detangle your hair with a conditioner, whether it's a deep conditioner or a regular conditioner. If you try and put your hands through and you just can't, there's no slip, okay? Slip is basically how easy you can get your fingers or a comb through your hair with the product in. And I usually detangle while deep conditioned, so bomb product I would recommend if you're relaxed or short hair. Same with the one I'm about to tell you about now. Relaxed or short hair definitely, but if you have long natural hair and you usually detangle while you deep condition or condition, this might not be for you. However, on Jackie's does have a detangling product on their own if you want to do all that. But yeah, no slip, but nice product. Next product we have is the on Jackie's Cocoa Repair Coconut Creme Deep Conditioner. This one, same thing, great qualities, smells great, no damn slip. Auntie, mommy, madam, where the slip at? I usually end up mixing on Jackie products with my other products once I realize it ain't got no slip. But yes, also a great product, smells great, but I just cannot detangle, and it's too important to me. So definitely good, just short or relaxed hair, or just really use curls. That might work for y'all too. I can only speak for me. Okay, now I'm gonna get into my two holy grails. Now, I've mentioned in other videos, when you deep condition, you're gonna want to rotate between products that give your hair moisture and products that give your hair protein, okay? The protein helps strengthen your hair and the moisture moisturizes. Now, I usually rotate my wash days with these two products. The first product I'm gonna show you is the Garnier Ultimate Blends. Y'all probably seen this on my channel before. If you haven't seen this one, you've seen the red one that's for colored hair. My ends are dyed, so if I can't find that one, I use this one. If I can't find this one, I use that one. I'll switch out between these two. But the Garnier Ultimate Blends Nourishing Repair Balm, and this is the avocado oil and shea butter. Child, it smells good. It smells so good and your hair will feel bomb. Now, this is very middle tier with the deep conditioners. It's not that expensive. It's not the cheapest one out there. Maybe it is, I don't know. But it's not that expensive. And I think it's pretty middle tier. But it works great. It works great. Now, y'all probably seen this either on my Instagram or on YouTube as well. But it's the Originals Extra Virgin Olive Oil Hair Mayonnaise. This treatment. This is my protein treatment, okay? So these are the two I usually alternate between because I is a creature of habit, like I said. Recommend me some new stuff that you like. But yes, these are great, okay? I've never used another protein treatment. I remember buying this, or my sister giving me her like almost empty container in 2017. I don't remember if I bought it or was given to me, but I have not used anything since, okay? The definition after you use this is crazy, okay? Your hair smells great, your hair feels strong. 10 out of 10 would recommend, okay? Now, like I said, it is very important to have both moisture and protein because that's what you want. You want strong and moisturized hair. You can't just have one, honey, or I mean you can, but I guess let me know how it's going for you. But what I have found works best is having two and rotating. Now, if you want to try deep conditioning but you're not ready to get a real product yet, I would recommend taking a normal conditioner, the one you usually use, and I'll put up a list of oils that are great for your hair. You can find one or two of those, put a tablespoon of each into some of the conditioner, mix it up, put it all through your hair, make sure it's coated, okay? Make sure your hair's wet first and clean, okay? Don't just put it on dry, nasty hair. Wash your hair and put it through, get a shower cap or a plastic bag, put it on your hair and rinse it out 30 minutes later. And let me know if you see a difference, okay? Because that's usually when you start getting the intro to deep conditioner. That's not how your hair will feel with an actual deep conditioner in it, but you're gonna notice a bit more moisture in your strands, okay? You can also look up a couple DIY deep conditioners where it's usually just conditioner and they tell you to add maybe avocado or banana or whatever. Those are also great for your hair. You can try those out if you're still skeptical about getting a deep conditioner, and once you try them, you're gonna see a difference. I'm not gonna say maybe, it's a definite. You can look up, I'm gonna actually leave links in the descriptions to a couple of DIY deep conditioners if you're not ready to dive into real deep conditioning just yet. They work great too. Thank you so much for watching. That was the video, okay? If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. Social media in the description box. Subscribe if you haven't already. Like this video if you like this video, okay? I hope you're eating good. I hope you're blessed. I hope you slept well. And if no one has told you today, I love you. Bye.